This is Samason, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechatronics at SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the section of solids. Everybody knows the section of solids is one of the major impact in engineering drawing. Right? So whenever the particular object has been cut, how it can be viewed and how it has been displayed in a particular way is explained clearly for a clear understanding of any objects, because the cutted object plays a vital role in industry, especially in manufacturing or production based industries. So this is the concept based on how it can be explained and how it has been viewed in particular angle or particular plane or particular axis. So normally the industry uses first angle projection, and now I am like to take over the solid software right now. So when I solid software through this, we can able to draw how the section easily determined. So this is the software which I already used. Now I am like to draw for a particular software where the object has been carried out, right? So I like to draw the first one is the square prism, right? So the square prism is normally about equal size, right? When the square prism is placed on a horizontal plane, when I rotate, it will be look like this. So the whole size will be equal. So 30 prism, square prism I am to draw. So everybody is 30 So 30 is I am to draw like this one. So whenever 30 is drawn, so the prism is always look like this. So one end will be visible, another one will be non-visible. So I am going to mark this as A in bracket. I will be marked as 2 because the back side will cannot be used. Similarly, this is B. Then the opposite side will be 2. Then C, the opposite side will be 3. Then this is will be 4. Sorry, D. Then opposite side will be 4, right? This is how we can able to mention now. So similarly, I like to draw the trace line. Similar from this position, I have to draw the trace lines. So whenever the trace lines is different, right? So I have to mark this by using a different color of red color. So for clear understanding purpose and clear visibility purpose. So I would like to mention this because sometimes the views cannot be clearly understood, right? So the views can be easily understood for clear purposes. So this can be drawn mentioned like this. So then only we can able to track the images or lines how based on our requirements. So this will be drawn, then and this will be this one. Okay. So as I said earlier, this is a midpoint. So we can able to draw the midpoint from this axis. We can able to draw is high. The prism is normally surrounded by a rectangle surface, so it will be mentioned as 50 height. So I like to mention this as 50 height. Then this is his line is right. So this is axis line. So I have drawn this axis line. Similarly, from this point, I have to draw of 50 height. Then I have to place here. Then I have to draw another length of another line from this height of 50 right now. So this height is will be 50 Then I fix here, then I join this here. So this makes the surface is equal. So as far as concerned, right now, so I have to mark this as 2 dash is visible and the bracket is 1 dash. Similarly, this is 3 dash is visible. In bracket, it will be 4 dash because 4 dash cannot be visible on the back side. Similarly, in the topmost part, the B dash will be visible and the A dash cannot be visible right now. Similarly, this is C dash is visible and D dash cannot be visible. This is how we can able to draw. This is how we can able to display it, right? So as far as concerned, the section is cutting the section cutting plane is it passes at the midpoint. That is how they mention it. So the midpoint I have to draw like this. So the section plane is cutting at a midpoint. So I mentioned this as from this midpoint, I have to draw this extension line, right? So I am to draw this extension line. So from this point, again, it cuts an angle out. I can able to draw the line right this similarly within something of a length of 80, right? So angle is 40 degree. So it cuts the angle with 40 degrees. Similarly, I'm going to drag this line for 40 degree. So this is how the cutting plane has to be done. So the cutting plane has to be represented by dashed lines. So the cutting plane has been drawn. So from this cutting plane, then we have to make this as this line as represented. If the cutting plane has been certainly has been passes through at midpoint, right? So it's midpoint through at an angle of 70. So angle of 70 degree means it will be cutting like this. Similarly, this angle will be this angle will be 70. Okay. So I've drawn this like this. So it has been cutting through. So now I want to take this point for this easy ways and trimming this particular portion. So it touches the plane, right arm. So this is your cutting plane. So I like to mention dash lines from this point, the edge. So I have to draw where it has been cutting, right arm. So I have to draw the trace lines. So this trace line will be in a different color. So I'm using green blue color for this. Similarly, the line I have to draw from here, this one. So these portions has been cut out during this surfaces of revolving surfaces. So these portions has been removed from the top surfaces. So now I have to draw the fill lines, right? So I have to draw this fill line. So when I take these lines, so when I look this object, and the removed surface has been clearly understanding that status that this object will be removed at a particular point. So this is how uh, the basic concept of section of solids for particular square has been drawn in the given diagram. Hope everybody is understood. I will catch up in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you. Signing up by Samsung, Assistant Professor.